San Diego's East County is about to change how 911 works, and this could affect home values. The La Mesa Police Department just applied for a $2 million federal grant to launch a drone as first responder program. And the city council actually already approved it. When you call 911, a drone launches before officers, firefighters even get in their car. It flies overhead and gives live video, locates suspects, victims, hazards, and gets there much faster. This isn't just for crime. So Heartland Fire and Rescue would use these drones for La Mesa, El Cajon, and Lemon Grove. Imagine a drone scoping out a wildfire and deciding whether to pull crews from one fire to another. That's massive. So here's what no one's talking about. Cities with faster emergency response time see higher property values. Buyers pay a premium for safety. This is East County leveling up. If you're thinking about buying or selling in La Mesa, El Cajon, or Lemon Grove, this is the kind of neighborhood investment that moves markets. DM me the word drone and I'll be in touch. Once again, my name is David Domingos, local San Diego Realtor, helping people get the most out of living in San Diego.